Today, Tennessee lawmakers gathered in the state capitol building to start off Governor Bill Lee's special called session. Among the bills filed are school vouchers, immigration safety, and disaster relief for East Tennessee. This special session marks the third time Governor Lee is making a push for vouchers. News Channel 11's Jayana Scurry spoke with Governor Lee, his priorities, and what he expects to come from the special session. Jayana?
Yes, Casey, Governor Lee is still advocating that having school choice will be the best option for Tennesseans. He's also making sure Northeast Tennessee will get much needed recovery aid in the disaster relief funding package. As far as illegal immigration, he says efforts are focused on dangerous criminals. The special session is now underway. At the top of the Governor Lee's Education Freedom Scholarship Act, commonly referred to as school vouchers.
You can have the best commitment to and ultimately the best public schools in the country and still allow parents to have an option about what's best for their kid. And yet they may not be wealthy enough to afford that option. This would remove that disparity and allow that parent to make a choice.
Many Northeast Tennessee school districts oppose Lee's voucher plan. Lee says the legislation will give parents more options. He says that public schools will not be negatively impacted by his Scholarship Act.
We've constructed this so that it, by statute, by law, it has a guarantee that there isn't a public school system in the state that will lose $1 as a result of a child leaving for one of these choices that their parent might make.
However, Representative David Hawk from Greene County is still opposing voucher legislation.
We have robust school systems in our counties. The voucher plan as proposed really doesn't do much for us to help move the needle in terms of education in Northeast Tennessee.
As far as disaster relief funding, Lee says he directly talked to President Trump about Northeast Tennessee's damage.
We're hopeful that there will be more now with this new administration and their desire to improve the efficiency of federal funding. But we are going to fill in the gap for a portion of the difference between the federal funding and what these counties have to pay.
With illegal immigration, Lee says Trump's administration is targeting dangerous criminals.
We're setting up an Office of Immigration, a centralized immigration office that will have a point person and a structure in place to coordinate with the federal government on their strategies for the country.
Hawk says legislators will break out into committees tomorrow to discuss bills. He expects voting to start maybe Wednesday night on the House floor. Casey?